Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your SouthWest Visa card account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. To log into your SouthWest Visa card account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in SouthWest Visa card login like this and hit enter, and you can see the SouthWest account managed by sage.com itself. Click over there, or you can just simply open sage.com on a new tab. Let's go. And after that you can see personal and credit cards and explore credit cards. But this is the direct login page of your SouthWest Visa card. As well, you can see over here it's SouthWest Visa card appearing over here. And now to log into your SouthWest Visa card from this site, which was opened by Google, enter your username over here and enter your password over here, and after that click on sign in to log into your SouthWest Visa card account. Or if you have forgotten your username or password, click on forgot username or password on here, and you'll be taken to a procedure where you can retrieve your username or password depending upon which one you lost, or you have not signed up for an account for SouthWest Visa card. You can see the sign up now option available over here. Click over there and you'll be taken to the sign up page of SouthWest Visa card from Chase itself. Now to log into our SouthWest Visa card account from the homepage itself, we'll need to scroll down and find the SouthWest. Here it is. Just click on SouthWest, and after that you can again see the sign in button at the top right corner of the screen after you land over here. And now click on sign in, and you can see sign in to browse offer selected for you based on your relationship with Chase. So your relationship with Chase is the SouthWest credit card or the Visa card. Enter your SouthWest Visa card's username, password over here as you did on the site one. And after that click on sign in to log into your SouthWest Visa card account. And there guys, this is how you log in into your SouthWest Visa card account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.